Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, happy Friday. Woo woo woo. My eyes totally fine. I actually threw out that liner. I didn't even keep it and it was 12 bucks. Ugh, the struggles. But yeah, I'm finally doing a Facial Friday on an actual Friday. Look at God, won't he do it? But as always, I get sent a bunch of, or tagged in a bunch of different face charts, and then I wind up choosing 2, and then I do the whole poll thing, and this time chart number 1 won. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. And it's another pinky purple look, but I actually like it. So with all that being said, let's get started. And this is the finished look. The two lippies that I used are from ColourPop. One is from the pink one is from the My Little Pony collection, and the red one is from the, like, one of their Christmas special thingies. I think that one is called Mystique. One of those. They both are ultra glossy lips. The highlighter I used, I did not show the name, which I forgot, my bad. That is the A2O from Shop Miss A. That is their Celestial highlighter, and I chose that one because it has like a pinky tone to it. And as you saw in the video, I just used a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, Hot Toddy, one of my favorites, and I used the Morphe 35U because all of the colors that have been in these face charts are in that palette, so I've been using that palette a lot, which is why I did not include the names, because these are the same products that I've been using for the past few weeks for my face charts, so minus the lips. But yeah, that is it for this video. I added false lashes, and they are from Volve Cosmetics, which is a Korean brand, and it is their soft cross lashes. So basically all that means is the lashes crisscross, like they do the crisscross pattern all the way across the lash. And I like them. They're not too crazy. The wing liner is IPKN liquid liner as always. The brows are always Benefit. I will be filming, because I have a week-long vacation coming up, so I will be filming updated brow tutorial, because you saw, like, the one I did before is using the ABH brow powder, dip brow powder, and this one I'm going to be using the Benefit KaBrow gels. So that will be sometime next week. That is all for this video. I am going to finish getting ready for work, and I'll see you next time. Bye.